In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up and installing your Epson WorkForce WF-7840 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson WorkForce WF and then 7840 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results come back with an Epson domain. This is Epson WorkForce Pro WF-7840. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down, and underneath operating system, go ahead and click the drop down and select your version of Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Chrome OS, and then select go. And then scrolling down again, select the driver and utility combo package installer and the corresponding download button for that. And then once it's downloaded to your device, you want to go ahead and just open up that file. So it might just take a moment to download here. And it should be a signed verified publisher from Epson. Select yes, and then just proceed with the on-screen wizard here of configuring it based on your preferences, and it will include everything you need to use your Epson WorkForce Pro WF-7840 printer. And like I said, just follow along with the on-screen steps, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.